approach runway 27, your number 1. Threshold wind at 23017, you may experience turbulence on final approach.
Okay, thank you. Clear the visual approach runway 27, speed of 492 uniform. Gibraltar, hello, Speedbird 492 uniform, established on the visual for runway 27 at 7 miles.
Speedbird 492 uniform, Gibraltar, continue approach runway 27, advise when you have gear down 3 green.
Continue Wilco, Speedbird 492 uniform.
Speedbird 492 uniform, runway 27, surface wind 230 degrees, 16 knots, excellent.
Good man, runway 27, Speedbird 492 uniform.
Departure Whiskey Alpha. Hello, 53 Whiskey Alpha, or 8 miles out with a visual approach 27.
Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, Gibraltar, continue approach runway 27, advise when you have gear down 3 green.
Continue approach, we'll go 53 Whiskey Alpha. 3 green.
Easy 53 Whiskey Alpha, runway 27, surface wind 240 degrees, 16 knots, clear to land. 178.
Alpha. H1015, continue descent altitude 5,000 feet.
Yes, up to 5,000 feet, QNH 1015, twin star 401.
1,500 feet, report visual.
Twin star 401, and altitude 1,500 feet, Wilco.
20 on a 6-mile final.
Twin star 401, cleared for visual approach, runway 27, number 2. Twin star 401. We are on the visual approach, runway 27, approximately 8 miles out.
Twin star 401, Gibraltar Tower, continue approach runway 27, advise when you have gear down 3 green.
Twin star 401, continue approach, and we have gear down 3 green. Twin star 401.
Twin star 401, roger, continue approach.
Continue approach, Twin star 401.
27, surface wind 230 degrees, 16 knots, clear to land.
Twin star 401, runway 27, clear to land.
EV16, Echo Charlie, 178, copy, 0920 weather, surface wind 220 degrees, 12 knots, visibility 45 kilometers, weather nil, clouds to 1,400 feet, temperature 24, 3.18, QNH 1015, landing runway 27.
19. Easy 16 Echo Charlie, affirm threshold wind is 240 degrees, 19 knots. Thank you. Easy 16 Echo Charlie, central on QNH of 1015, continue descent altitude 1,500 feet. 1015, 1,600 feet, 27 Easy 16 Echo Charlie.
Approach runway 27, advise when you have gear down 3 green.
Okay, continue 27 Easy 16 Echo Charlie. My gear down 3 green.
Easy 116 Echo Charlie, continue approach.
Continue 27 Easy 16 Echo Charlie.
So 326 November, correct. Runway 27, surface wind 230 degrees, 22 knots, clear to take off.
I was just